In front of me is XIAOMI 11 Lite 5G NE, and today I would like to show you how you can customize theme with this keyboard on this XIAOMI. Start by opening Devices settings. Now you need to scroll down and click on Additional settings. Then Languages and Input, Manage Keyboards, and Gboard. Over here, click on Theme and tap on this plus icon under My Themes. Over here, you can finally select an image that you wish to set up. I will go with something interesting. Okay, that one will do. So now we can pinch it to scale and drag it to move. When you're ready, select Next and adjust brightness by swiping left or right. Finally, click on Done and click on the switcher next to keyboarders to turn them off or on. Finally, just Apply. So now when I go back, I can see the theme of my keyboard was successfully customized. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and don't forget to click subscribe. Bye!